Just over a month ago, Hamden Police announced 2 new units. Their goal, to find out where crime is happening and crack down. So far, residents are seeing results.
I've been able to sleep. That's number one.
A good night's sleep with the help from Hamden Police. Kim Washington has noticed more officers in her South Hamden neighborhood after showing concern for a rise of crime in the area during last month's crime prevention meeting. Hamden Police say the recently created crime deterrent and intelligence units are part of the reason why.
Those 2 coordinated efforts have looked into where the crimes are occurring, and then we have deployed personnel out to those areas.
The units, made up of over 20 officers, have been busy since the start of the year. Officers have made 6 criminal arrests, as well as 1 drug arrest, and have stopped 6 carjackings in progress.
Actually, during one of the arrests, the arrestees made comments that, the Hamden Police Department is all over the place.
Hamden Police say criminals are taking notice, even though robberies, car thefts, and shootings have increased since this time last year. All other crimes are down.
Hamden Police, I've been tough on you in the past, but the relationship has never been better.
Leonard Jihad has been working with Hamden Police since the summer to identify high-risk youth and make connections in order to keep them off the streets.
So I'm happy to say that out of the 5 youth that we went to their homes, none of them have been involved in any further criminal activity. And 2 of the young men we've given jobs to. Jihad
says COVID-19 has taken away many of the outlets that youth once had. He's asking the community to step up to help provide more opportunities. Mayor Kurt Lang says that social service agents as well as after-school programs will be available on next month's call to talk about some of those opportunities. In Hamden, Dave Puglisi, Fox 61 News.